Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, from a few months, a few people have been texting me on LinkedIn asking me how to build their own portfolio in the simplest way possible and how to navigate that. So, I have decided that today I'm going to show you how to deploy your own portfolio website using a template from Vercel. And Vercel offers a ton of templates, so it's super easy to get started. And I can show you and walk you through the entire process step by step. So, let's dive in. Okay, so having a portfolio is super essential for showcasing your skills and projects, especially if you're looking to get into tech or you're looking to land a job. So let's just dive in and you will see that first, let's choose a template. Okay, so for that, just open your browser and go to vercel.com/templates. Once you do that, you would see that a variety of templates are available. So just look for something that just catches your eye or something that you want to get into. So for this tutorial, I'm just going to click portfolio and let me just quickly look. Okay, I'm just going to pick this one. Okay, so you will see that once you click the template, you can see more details. You would also see a deploy button on the left side of here, and you can also see the details on the right side. You can just learn more about your project. Okay, they have all your details, and you can just deploy it. So just click the deploy button and it's going to start the deployment process. So right now I already have an account and my GitHub is linked in. So if you're not logged in, you'll have to sign up for a Vercel account, and you can use your GitHub for easy integration, or you can use your Gmail account or any other email address. So when prompted, just make sure that you authorize Vercel to access your GitHub account, because this allows Vercel to create a new repo for you. So you can obviously customize the project name with anything you want, and the repo name. So I'll just put like YouTube demo. Okay, and just click create. Just remember that after you give it permission, make sure you do this. Oh, sorry. Okay, once you do this, Vercel will automatically build and deploy your project. So this might take like a few minutes. And if you see like your GitHub right now, sorry, and I'll just refresh it, you'll see that this has been created. Okay, so it says like congrats, you've deployed a new project, and you can just continue to dashboard and you'll be able to see the domain for your deployment. Okay, so this is where like your project is actually like live. Okay, cool. So once you do that, you have your GitHub repo. So now we need to customize it. So for that, just clone it. You need to clone your repo. So just make sure you copy it. Okay. So I'm just gonna change to the desktop and I'm gonna make a new directory that says demo port. Okay. I'm gonna change to that, right? And I'm gonna then do a get clone command. So this will copy like all of your structure from your repo. It's going to do that. And okay, once it's done doing that, just change to that folder, right? So okay, so now you'll have to open this in your favorite code editor, and I'm gonna do it in Visual Studio Code. There are various ways to open it. I'm just gonna open my code editor, and I'm going to open the folder. Oh, I think it's already open. Okay, it's already open, I guess. Okay, so now just open a new terminal and make sure that you change to this particular folder that we can make changes in. Okay, so once you do that, all you have to do is you have to customize the details that are there on your source code here to match your information. Okay, so if I click pages and index, you'll see here that there are some details, and if you notice closely, you will see that that these are the details of this particular person. So you can just change your the data of this person with yours, and you could do just like change. So I'm just gonna put Meghna Sai. Sorry about that. Okay, and you could put I'm a cloud engineer, and I'm just gonna put like something quick just to know that we have made these particular changes. Hey there, I'm Meghna and I love building reliable systems. Oh my god, sorry about that. I am super passionate about the cloud and giving back to the tech community. Anything, any bio that you want. And over here, just change it with your LinkedIn and GitHub repo URLs. So I have my LinkedIn ready over here. Okay, I also have like my GitHub here, right? So okay, let me just quickly change it over here. You can also put like your resume PDF over here if you wanted. Let me just quickly get a picture so I can change it. Okay, so if you see over here, your profile image is linked to the images, the files folder, and this is usually in your uh, public folder, right? So public images, and you'll see this is the URL. So just go here and you can just paste your image here. Just make sure that you change your thing over here. So I think it's a JPG file. So I'm just gonna put JPG, okay, and then just copy like this. Okay, and just now that I have my GitHub, I'm just gonna put it here. Okay, and just remove this, right? Okay. Okay. Okay, so these are the changes that I have made so far, and depending on your template, you'll have to change the content in different places. So it totally depends on how your folder structure is. So here you can just replace your resume over here if you want, and let me just like quickly go out to this. This is just your structure of everything. You can just take a look through it. You can also change it. You can change the design however you want. This is like your readme file, so like you can customize everything the way you want. And after doing that, now just make sure to include your links and descriptions or any images. um, so once you're satisfied, let's just deploy the updates. Okay, so for deploying, just do get add, and then you're gonna commit with the message get commit in updated portfolio changes. Okay, and you're gonna push it. Okay, so now what this will do is it's gonna push your changes. Okay, and Vercel is automatically gonna redeploy your site with the latest changes. So you can definitely check your changes in your Vercel dashboard. So if you see over here, if you click deployments, you will see it's already updated. If you just saw the picture, so you can see here just a message I put updated portfolio in 8 seconds ago. So if I go to my project now and if I click this, you're gonna see that it's updated, right? And if I click, you will be able to see that your LinkedIn is linked and so is my Git. Okay, so that's how you do customize and change it. You can pick any portfolio. The process is pretty much the same. You need to figure out where to make the changes. And suppose you have your own domain, okay, and you want to use your custom domain. The way to set it up is just go to settings, okay, and you go to click domains and click add. Okay, and you will have to add your details. So I actually already did that just so I could show you guys. And if you go over here, you will see that I have my domain, right? So just know that you have to click domains tab, add your domain. Okay, and follow the instructions that Vercel provides to configure your DNS settings. So this usually involves adding a CNAME record to your domain register. This is only if you have your custom domain that you want to deploy your website for. If you're okay with using like a Vercel domain, then that should be fine. And after setting up your DNS, it may take some time for the changes to propagate. So once it's done, you'll see your custom domain is linked to your portfolio. Okay. And that's it. You have successfully deployed your portfolio using a Vercel template. And if you want, you can also customize your domain name. So now you could showcase your like work to the world. I also wanted to give like a couple of tips just to enhance your work a little bit better. So let me just quickly. Okay, so just make sure that if you're using any environment variables, just make sure to use that in your environment variables in Vercel, okay? And this will just keep it secure, right? And just test your portfolio on different devices and screen sizes to ensure it looks good everywhere. And you can use any kind of tools for this, and just keep your portfolio updated regularly with your latest projects and skills. Just keep pushing updates to keep it fresh and relevant, and just use version control like Git for your project, and this could like easily help you to track changes and revert if something goes wrong, right? And for any questions, like make sure you check Versal's documentation. It's quite extensive, and you can easily figure out like anything that you want to implement. It's a great resource. Um, so by keeping these must-dos and precautions, I think you guys will do a great job with your portfolio. Okay, so that's it for today's video. I hope that you guys make your portfolio, and there are a number of ways to do this, but I found that Vercel is quite easy and you can use it for like a number of things, not just your portfolio, but as you saw on the template page, your blogs and anything actually. So make sure you check out the templates, and if you have any questions, please drop them in the comments below. But otherwise, see you in the next video.